Hi Dolphins, we're outside, it's a beautiful day, and this is going to be a really, really fun event. Okay, so what we're going to do is this is going to help you with your gross motor, which means your muscles, and your eye-hand coordination. So what I've done is I've hung all these fun things. You might have these left over from Easter, and I added some rice to make it sound. Do you hear it? And then I took a little cat toy from Grayson, but I'll give it back. Then I just took a paper bag that we were going to throw away and crunched it up, which was a lot of fun because I used a lot of my muscles, and made a ball, tied a string, and just hung it on a tree. You can also, if it's raining, you can do it inside. You can use a little hook, a command hook, or tie it somewhere, tape it somewhere, and you can use a noodle, or if you don't have one, I made something, a little bat, or something from the kitchen, and you can play I Spy to find something. So what I'm going to do is you can go back and forth with someone and you can count 1, 2, 3, or you can do it by yourself and try to get it when it comes back. And it's kind of hard to get it each time. Then, and this is kind of heavy, so I'm going to also do this, but this egg, we have to be real careful and real light. So I'm going to go 1, whoa, 2, 3, 4. This one I can have a lot of fun with, and I can volley. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A really fun thing is if you have balloons. Don't pop the balloons. Let mommy, daddy do that for you, but you can play balloon volleyball with paddles, or you can do the balloon and it goes far and long, back and forth, okay? Then we've got this, and I want you to count. You can count and jump as many as you can. I would love to see your videos and see how many can you count to. And then I can whack this one hard. And if I have a noodle, I can pretend that I'm playing baseball or softball or t-ball. Let me whack it. I like that one. Oh, let me whack this one. Oh, that's a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy this. Show me your videos if you can do this, or if you want to do this. And I'm having too much fun. Okay, right now we're gonna go over, it's addicting, I promise. We're gonna go over here, and I want you to guess what shape this is. You can find sticks, do I Spy and find some twigs or whatever you can outside. I'm going to ask you, what shape is this? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. That's right, it's a square. Great job. And you can make all kinds of shapes with whatever you have in the house. Our number's 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, scooch over, 10. What can you find and count out 10? And count as high as you can. And you can count and jump and twist and turn and do all kinds of cool things. Okay? We're going to start doing There Was an Old Lady. And this is little phonics. I'm going to read a short story. And I think I want to do this one. And next time we'll do another one. And it's a short story. There was an old lady who had a fat cat. Let's see what happens. This is the front. This is the binder. And it's illustrated by Jared Lee. Book 1. And this is short A. Here we go. And it's a scholastic. There was an old lady who had a fat cat. That cat liked to nap in the old lady's lap. Sleepy cat. That looks like my old cat. There was an old lady who had a fat cat. The cat saw a rat run across the doormat. Look at that cat. Wow. Whoops. There was an old lady who had a fat cat. The cat set a trap while the old lady napped. Clever cat. There was an old lady who had a fat cat. The cat set a trap, but the trap did not snap. Lucky rat. What happened to the rat? That's right, he caught the cheese. There was an old lady who had a fat cat. The cat tapped the trap and the fat cat got snapped. Ow! Poor cat. Meow. Uh-oh. Not a good idea, cat. There was an old lady who woke from her nap. She saw her cat in a trap. She saw a rat on the mat. Look at that. Uh-oh. What a mess. There was an old lady who just had to laugh. She laughed at the cat in the trap. She laughed at the rat on the mat. She laughed like mad. Look at that rat. Is he happy? Oh, poor kitty. There was an old lady who had a fat cat. That cat just wanted to nap in the old lady's nap. The kitty cat's okay. The end. Okay, part 2 coming up. Love you, Dolphins.